Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer USD between Binance accounts. This process is straightforward and highly efficient, ensuring your funds reach their destination quickly. The best part is that Binance-to-Binance transfers for USD typically incur zero fees, making it a cost-effective solution for moving your digital assets. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth experience. To start, log into your Binance account and navigate to your Spot wallet. Find your USD balance and click on the Withdraw button. Instead of selecting a network, you will choose the option to send via email/phone/pay ID. This indicates you are performing an internal transfer to another Binance user, which is crucial for the zero-fee benefit. Next, you will need to input the recipient's registered Binance email address or phone number. This is how Binance identifies the other user's account for the direct transfer. Carefully enter the precise amount of USD you intend to send. It is vital to review all the details on this screen to ensure everything is correct before moving forward to the final confirmation steps. Finally, you will see a summary of your transfer. Take a moment to carefully review the recipient's details and the USD amount. After confirming everything is accurate, proceed with the necessary security verification steps, like entering your two-factor authentication code. Once verified, the transfer is typically processed instantly, and the recipient will receive the USD in their Binance account within moments, completely free of charge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.